Have you ever tried making sweet and sour pork at home, but it just never turns out right? That's why you gotta try Ding Ding Kitchen's sweet and sour pork recipe, also known as菠萝咕噜肉. Once you try this at home, your kids will be asking you to make it at least twice a week. Let's get started. Start by washing and soaking the pork belly in cold water for about 10 minutes. Pat dry and cut into smaller pieces. Next, cut away the pork skin. Pork belly is the best cut of pork to use as it has enough fat content so that the pork won't be dry. Another option is pork shoulder or even pork loin. To marinate, add salt, white pepper, half an egg, and all-purpose flour. Mix lightly for about a minute. Marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. Now we can cut up all the vegetables. A lot of people ask me, red pepper or green pepper? To be honest, you can use whatever pepper you want. Sometimes I use yellow, sometimes I use orange, sometimes I use no peppers at all. For the sauce, you'll need ketchup, cornstarch, brown sugar, vinegar, lemon juice, a little bit of pineapple juice if you have it, water, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. In a wok on medium-high heat, add some oil and stir fry the onions. Add the peppers. Add the garlic. Then add the sauce. Now we can add the pineapples and set it aside. Before we deep fry the pork, we must first coat it in some cornstarch. After you coat it, press it together in the palm of your hand. Make sure that the entire piece is coated. Now, if you don't eat pork, don't worry, because I have a sweet and sour fish recipe that is just as good. Make sure to click it after this video. Now we can deep fry for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Bring it up and rest for about 2 minutes. Then turn on high heat and deep fry until golden. Once the pork is ready, we can heat up the sauce, add a little bit of sesame oil, then add the pork in and toss. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.